cheesy sausage twist rolls. Absolute goodness. Let me show you how to make this simple recipe. Get your flour, butter, yeast, salt, warm water, sausage, mozzarella cheese, spring onions, garlic, sesame seeds, mayonnaise and ketchup. First pour in your warm water, add your yeast, then your flour and salt. Mix together and add your butter. Let your dough be a bit soft, then allow it to rise for about an hour. While waiting for the dough to rise, fry your sausage and cut your mozzarella cheese into a long rectangle shape, almost as long as the sausage. Chop your spring onions and garlic together. Set it aside. Now the dough is double in size. Deflate the air, divide, cut, roll and fill. Easy and yummy, isn't it? Cut your dough into sections. Then roll it into a round ball-like shape before rolling it out. Place your sausage and cheese in the middle. Add your spring onions and garlic. I'm sure you can just imagine the flavor profile in this dough. Get your pizza cutter or knife, make lines on both sides of the rolled dough and wrap each cut around the filling in an opposite manner, one after the other, till you get a zigzag twist design. Make sure you press down to secure the filling. Once you're done, place it in your baking tray and cover your dough for about 15 minutes just to get that very light pastry. Then brush with egg wash, sprinkle some sesame seeds and bake. Now the moment is here. Baking time is over and tasting time is here. Let me give you the review of this deliciousness. The pastry is soft, buttery, light and melts in the mouth, creamy, cheesy with a succulent sausage bite and a burst of garlic and spring onions flavor. Yes, please don't forget to dip this deliciousness into your mayonnaise or ketchup for that maximum satisfaction. This is so good. Every bite is yummy, every bite is delicious. Come closer. You can see the cheese without wasting more time. Make sure you recreate this recipe and keep watching Fofolicious Food Bites and subscribe. Thank you.